Miss Alyssa, and today is Science Saturday. Today we're going to learn 2 experiments that you can do at home with your family. Okay guys, so our first science experiment is going to be the dancing man. So all you need for this experiment is some sort of glass. It can be a plate like this, a bowl, or a picture frame, whatever you have at home. And then you'll need a dry erase marker and some water, and that's it. So first we're going to draw our picture. And I'm going to draw a stick figure because that's just about the only thing I can draw. And now we're going to let our picture dry. Okay, so the next step is to take your water and gently pour it onto your picture. Let's see if this works. Make sure you get your whole picture. Oh no, it broke. It's okay, guys. So now he should be floating and you can move. Let's give him a second. Okay, now you can make him dance. Shake your water. Pretty cool, right? Oh, here we go. Okay guys, for our second experiment, you're gonna need some paper, an empty water bottle, baking soda, white vinegar, and a balloon. So the first step is to fill your water bottle about halfway with the vinegar. And I've already done so here. Okay, so now I'm gonna roll my piece of paper into a makeshift funnel. If you have a real funnel at home, you can use that too, but we're using what we got at the library right now. Okay, so I rolled that up. I'm gonna take my balloon, I'm gonna stick it in there, and that's our funnel. So now we're gonna put 6 heaping spoonfuls of baking soda into our balloon. 1, 2, 3, oh, get it all. 4, 5, and 1 more, 6. Make sure it all goes into the balloon. And our next step is to take your balloon and just secure it over the top of the bottle. Okay, now you're gonna hold the balloon secure to the bottle and you're gonna dump your baking powder. Woo! And that's it. Thanks everyone for joining us this Saturday. Join us next month for more experiments you can do at home with stuff lying around the house. We hope you enjoyed. Bye.